The two-seater electric bike, equipped with a 48V 20AH, 960Wh, large removable battery and a peak motor capacity of 1300 W, represents a significant advancement in personal transportation. As more people look for eco-friendly alternatives to traditional vehicles, this electric bike offers a compelling option, particularly for those who prioritize comfort, convenience, and sustainability. Design and build quality. At first glance, the design of the electric bike is striking. The frame is robust yet lightweight, constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy that ensures strength without adding unnecessary weight. This is crucial for an electric bike, as it contributes to both speed and efficiency. The bike comes in a sleek, modern aesthetic with a choice of colors that can appeal to a broad audience. The two-seater design is an excellent feature, allowing you to ride alongside a companion, making it perfect for short commutes or leisurely rides in the park. The bike is well engineered, with components that feel durable and reliable. The adjustable seat is padded for comfort, even on longer rides, and the handlebars are ergonomically designed, allowing for a comfortable grip. Additionally, the step-through frame design makes it accessible for riders of all ages and physical capabilities, which is a significant advantage. Performance. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its 1300 W peak motor. This motor provides excellent acceleration and speed, giving it the capability to tackle steep hills and varied terrains with ease. Riders can expect a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour, depending on weight and terrain, which is impressive for an electric bike. The bike handles incline smoothly, making it suitable for urban environments where hills may be a challenge. The 48V 20AH removable battery is another highlight. A full charge can provide a range of approximately 40 to 60 miles, depending on riding conditions and the level of pedal assistance used. The removable feature of the battery is particularly convenient. It allows for easy charging at home or the office, eliminating the need to bring the entire bike indoors. The battery also features a smart battery management system, which optimizes its lifespan and ensures efficient performance. Riding experience. The riding experience on this electric bike is nothing short of exhilarating. The bike is equipped with a pedal assist feature, which allows riders to choose their level of assistance based on their preference. This is particularly useful for those who wish to combine exercise with the convenience of electric power. The transition between pedal power and electric assistance is seamless, ensuring a smooth ride. Suspension is also an essential aspect of the riding experience, and this bike does not disappoint. It features a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks effectively, making the ride comfortable even on bumpy roads. Coupled with wide tires, the bike offers excellent traction and stability, which is crucial for safety, especially at higher speeds. Braking performance is equally important, and the bike is fitted with high-quality hydraulic disc brakes. These brakes provide reliable stopping power, instilling confidence in the rider, whether in wet conditions or when navigating steep descents. Safety features. Safety is paramount when it comes to electric bikes, and this model is equipped with essential safety features. It includes bright LED front and rear lights for visibility during nighttime rides. Reflective strips on the tires and frame further enhance visibility, making the bike a safe choice for urban riding. The inclusion of a bell is a thoughtful touch, allowing riders to alert pedestrians and other cyclists of their presence. Conclusion. In summary, the two-seater electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery and a 1300 W peak motor is an impressive piece of technology that caters to the needs of modern riders. Its combination of style, performance, and comfort makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or enjoy leisurely rides with a friend. The bike's robust build quality, impressive range, and powerful motor provide exceptional value for money, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a sustainable and enjoyable mode of transportation. Whether you're commuting to work,